This Friday, March 8th, 2019, women, LGBTI people, students and workers are striking, are leaving our workplaces and joining together in solidarity for International Women's Day. International Women's Day actually started in 1907 New York, when women who were being treated badly in the workplace, basically in sweatshops, came out and asked for better hours and better working conditions via protest. It's incredibly important that all of us, men and women, non-binary people, all of us show solidarity on International Women's Day for the struggles of people all across the world, but particularly here in Ireland. In 2015, we made Grá the law. In 2018, we made Mná the law. And now in 2019, we're asking to end sexual violence and harassment across Ireland, across workplaces, across college campuses. The eyes of Ireland are open when it comes to gender inequality. And this is an issue that affects people all across Ireland, not just in Dublin, not just in urban centres, but rural areas as well. The reality is that there are women every day who are scared to go to work, who are scared to go home to their partners. And we can't accept this as being the norm anymore, and we have to do something about it. This Friday, people across Ireland will be striking on 4 things. Firstly, ending sexual harassment and violence. Secondly, ending the gender pay gap, which still exists. Thirdly, ending precarious employment and working conditions. And fourthly, we'll be calling for abortion rights in Northern Ireland. Some of our most important work as activists isn't actually behind megaphones. It's about the conversations, it's about changing minds, it's about meeting people over the kitchen table, over a cup of tea. It's about fact-checking and calling out what is the status quo and saying, you know what, that's not all right and that's not acceptable. Sexist jokes aren't fine, and I'm going to be part of a culture change in my house, in my workplace and in my campus. Everyone can get involved this International Women's Day on changing the culture in Ireland for women. Join us in Dublin at 3 o'clock on O'Connell Bridge as we show our solidarity for the many, many women who are affected by gender-based violence in the workplace and in their personal lives.